Hello, my dear friends on YouTube. Welcome to the Inspiration Through Presentation initiative by IU. In this presentation, we will discuss the implementation of AI and the strategies that are involved in it. First of all, what is AI implementation? As AI is growing, getting AI powered solutions to get adopted across business processes and decision making is becoming very, very important. So let's really understand what are the challenges, how do we implement this, what are the things that you really need to focus on, and depending on the industry sector, what are the challenges and what are the things that you need to focus on. First of all, why do we at all need to implement AI? Of course, it's readily known that it increases efficiency, automates your tasks, improves your decision making. But what is it that you're really going to achieve? You are going to be achieving competitive advantage against all your other competitors. Of course, whether you're in healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, education, logistics, or marketing, this is something must because it will improve one or the other function in your business process and help you enhance the possibilities of the growth. Of course, how do you plan your AI strategy? Begin with a very clear understanding of what your AI goals are. What are your current systems and how will AI eventually integrate into it? Set some measurable objectives. See if it cost reduces for you or it helps you grow your revenues. If either of it is achieved, then you're planning the strategy right. Of course, evaluating your existing infrastructure of technology is going to be a must, along with a workforce readiness that you have at your end. And then when you're done with planning a strategy, what level of data collection and management do you really need? Of course, without data, AI cannot work. So really important is high quality data, and the types of data that are needed will be structured, unstructured, or historical or real time. Based on all of these things, you can plan what kind of AI strategy you will eventually have and what are the best practices for data management for you, and how regularly are you going to clean it up, how much are you going to maintain, how are you going to ensure privacy and security compliance. Once that is done, what are the tools and technologies that you are going to select? There are a ton of tools and technologies out there, but the one that is best for your industry, for your company, for your organization is something that you need to choose. Deep learning, machine learning, language, natural language processing, the frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, so many of these, aspects are available. So selecting the AI tools and technologies, that are best for your business needs a good AI consultant. Get in touch with them. And once you are done doing that, you will have to develop and train your AI models. If you have somebody in-house who can help you, develop and train the AI models, that's good. Otherwise, choosing the right algorithms, whether it's going to be about classification, regression, clustering, or are you going to be choosing, things like hyperparameter optimization? What kind of a model training are you, gonna use? Are you gonna look at accuracy, precision, or is recall going to be important? All of those things will help you decide and develop and train your AI models. How will that finally integrate with your existing systems? Now, that's the next thing that you will have to see. Existing systems are, small. If your organization is small, they are really large. If your organization is really large, so are you going to do API-based integration to connect AI models with your existing enterprise, applications? You will have to figure that out either from the enterprise, software providers currently. If you have it all in-house, then get your tech team to figure out, is it going to be real time or batch processing? How are the things going to operate exactly for the technology that you use? Once all of that is set up, you will have to test and validate. Any software that moves ahead needs a lot of testing and validation. Nothing different applies for even your AI models that will eventually integrate. You will have to see if they work currently, with all your data. The good thing about AI models is that you could input a lot of log data that you could artificially create and test for every use case possible. That is something that you must do. Once this is all done, obviously you have to look at the case study of why this is something that you must consider. The case study of healthcare is something that can completely convince you to start this process tomorrow or probably even today. AI in healthcare has improved diagnostics. It has also helped predict the outcomes. It has helped personalize the kind of treatments that can be given, and also the delivery of the runtime medication that needs to be given and monitoring of all of those things. For example, if there are fluctuations, what kind of a thing that needs to be readjusted, all of those things are being achieved with AI. So end of the day, should you really consider implementing AI in your industry? Obviously the answer is yes, but how will all of this implementation transform your business? It'll give you a big competitive edge, and in the least it will bring you at par with everyone else already implementing this. So we wish you the very good luck from IU to be able to implement AI in your business sector, in your industry, and we hope that you find either the right consultants or the right team in-house to be able to achieve that. This video is brought to you by IU. We hope you follow and subscribe and stay tuned for more such videos.